We'll guide you through how to integrate Calendly with Mailchimp seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the integrations page, which you can find in the menu on the left-hand side. Look for Mailchimp in the list of available integrations. Click on it and you'll be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. You'll need to log into Mailchimp and authorize Calendly to access your Mailchimp account. Once connected, you'll see options to map Calendly event details to Mailchimp. Choose which Calendly events you want to sync with Mailchimp. You can also decide if you want to automatically add new invitees to a Mailchimp list. This is a great way to keep your email marketing list up to date with new contacts. After you set your preferences, save your settings. Now, every time someone schedules an appointment with you through Calendly, their information will be automatically added to your Mailchimp list, making it super easy to follow up with them or include them in your email marketing campaigns. This integration is perfect for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that you don't have to manually update your contact list. And there you have it, a simple way to integrate Calendly with Mailchimp. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.